Hello student, here is the question that assertion is given to you. Kirchhoff voltage law indicates that electrostatic field is conservative. Kirchhoff voltage law is based on Kirchhoff's voltage law. Voltage law is based on conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. While Kirchhoff current law is based on charge conservation. Okay, Kirchhoff current law is based on Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's current law is based on charge conservation. So this is the fact which you have to remember, charge conservation of charge. Okay, so here Kirchhoff voltage law indicates that the electrostatic field is conservative. So it says that in a closed loop, this law, that's the Kirchhoff voltage law, it says that in a closed loop, here is the closed loop, you have in a closed loop the total net potential drop, that's equal to 0. Okay, so you can say that's a net potential drop in this closed loop. Okay, so potential drop in this one and this one. Okay, so you will write that if potential drop in this loop is 0, so you will say that the potential difference is directly linked with the energy. Okay, so an energy directly linked with the work done by the force, and you can say that in closed total potential drop in a closed loop is equal to 0. So you can also say that that's the work done in this closed loop is also 0, and this implies that that's the electrostatic field is conservative in nature, because work done by a conservative force or conservative force produced due to conservative field is in a closed cycle is 0, because conservative force is work done by conservative force only depends on initial and final position. If you are moving in a closed loop, so you are starting from a certain point and coming back to that point, because that's the whatever be your initial position or initial point, you are just returning back to that point. Okay, so initial and final potential is same, or initial and final position is same. So in that case, in a closed loop or in a closed cycle, the electrostatic field or electrostatic force work done is equal to 0. So it is indicating that also. So that's correct. So potential difference between 2 points in the circuit does not depend on the path. Okay, so conservative force does not depend upon the path, it just depend on the initial and final point. So here is initial and final point is same, so work done will be 0. Okay, so that's the field is conservative in nature. So that's explain the assertion also. So option number second will be option number 4 will be your correct answer. Both assertion reason are correct, and correct explanation of a, because that's a conservative force, it does not depend upon the path, it just depend upon the initial and final point, or you are moving in a loop, so initial and final point in a closed loop will be same. Okay, so initial final point is same, so you can say work done equal to 0. That means that's a conservative field, or that force is a conservative force. Okay, so here is explaining. So option number 4 is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you.